Hey, it's me, Latoya Shante, and Molly Swag, and we're here at DOB Harlem, and we're going to show you how to have the perfect Friday rainy night. Okay, so we're at the register, and let's see how much money I spent for the perfect Friday night. We got Khalifa cardboard coloring paper. Can you show them quickly what this is? So this cost me $1, right? Okay, let's see what we have next. We have Play-Doh. Don't forget to scan it.
If you fix that loan, yeah.
Alright, so now we have some coloring pencils.
At least 10 of it.
A coloring book. And then we have bubble bath. So how much money did I spend on her night? $6 for the perfect night in on a rainy night. Can't beat that. So that's for Khalees, and that'll keep her occupied from the time she comes in to the time it's time to go to bed. So I spent $6 before 2 hours of no stress.